So I just got this, a gift from my mom. And look at this. It's very, there's a lot of, you know, pampa kapal, but the gift is really here. It's egg and then there's a fish. Hi. Oh, sorry. That's my boyfriend. He forgot about that.
He left already, oh. He left you.
You said bye.
Ito lang.
You have lighter, B?
Hi!
Hey, that's yours.
Welcome to my channel! Kayo na naman yung magiging thumbnail.
Let's go.
Suka.
Later.
Go.
Alligator. It's Saturday vibes. We just finished work.
You got per 1 kilometer or 1 per minute? Try this.
Hello mga yuks.
Mga kayukseb.
Mga kayuks. Kayuks lang ko na yan. Hello mga kayuks. Tara, sumama ka sa akin.
Para! Guys, pinagluto po kami ni Reese G. At ito, ay hindi pala. Ay wow! Oh my God! Ano po ang pangalan ng inyong dish, madam?
It's a creamy, buttered, garlic chicken with pepper.
Yes, ang sarap! There's a lot of things in it. Tik, ano po ang lasa ng inyong food? So delicious.
So yummy.
Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good. Oh, sino ka dyan, Shersh?
Wow.
Wow.
Sarap naman. Kukuha ko ng kaldereta. Ang sarap. Ano siya, creamy. So, ang masasabi ko lang,
Thumbs up.
thumbs up. Best.
And how about this?
Still natin.
Try mo naman yung kaldereta.
Ikaw direto sa mo binili, ka-record din ba yan?
Mukhang matigas.
Ano po yan ng kabayan?
Maharap din. Sarap din siya.
At siya naman.
It's good. The beef is so tender. Like it was, you know, boiling in a pressure cooker for 2 days.
Kain ako. Bye. Hi mga kabeshi wops. Ito na nga mag-video kami ngayon ng content ni Reese G. With this. And this is the content.
The Latina content.
Latina content in the house yo. And I will do his makeup. I will show you guys my finished product. Because this is his content. Ready na tayo guys. So mag-set up na tayo. Kami naka-set up na pala. And we're gonna do the video. Masyadong mababa. Taas mo pa.
Ayun, tinan mo.
Tingnan dito.
Yuksef, thank you so much for the makeup. Patapos na kami ng Latina challenge sa doon na yun.
Yes.
Sa isang social media platform.
Bia, tingin ka nga dito. Guys, hi. Yan na. Hi. Magchat-chay lang kami, At may pasok na naman
Guys,
tomorrow.
please support.
Anong kanta yan? It's a blues.
Yeah. Ay, mga ka-booster. Lahat na lang. Ay na nga po kami ngayon.
Huwag mo na kunin mukha ko. Stress ako.
O sige. Ito na nga po, nagluto ulit si Riz G. My God, thank you so much, be. How are we gonna live without you? May pa-cook pa, bagong labas.
Thank you for my new dress. From Maha.
Yes, Maha G. This is the medium. It's not fitting me.
Feel big.
Hindi talaga kasha.
Hindi.
Uy, si Alex Gonzaga, no?
Manonood din kami ng TV.
Buntis na siya.
See you later, alligator.
Hospital.
Till our next content.